Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to review on DoorDash. I wonder why you want to know how to review on DoorDash. Maybe because you have purchased a product and you want to share your experience regarding that product so that other people who are interested in purchasing it will get a review that if they should purchase it or not. Or maybe you have felt that this product is lying, so you just want to explain it, or there could be any other reason. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the DoorDash app, and after that just simply tap on its icon to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top of the screen, which are the categories for the food, and some options at the bottom as well. And into the middle of the screen, you will see different food products that you could enjoy by ordering them. At the bottom, you will also find these options. So now if you want to review a product, first you have to go to that product or the shop of that product, and then you can review it. And you can review the products if you have purchased that product, because if you have not purchased it, that means you have not experienced, so you can't explain about it. So first you have to do is that you have to go to the shop of that product. If you know the name, you could search for it, or maybe you can just explore, or if you have purchased it, you can see that on your home page. So once you find that product that you want to review, you have to open the shop of that product. You will see its name and different products. And once you scroll down, there you will see the option for reviews, and you will also find the reviews of the other people that they have written. Now, if you want to add your own review, here we have this option which says add review. Once you tap onto that option, you will be able to add your own review, whatever you have felt about that product, that food, whether it could be bad or it could be good, you can explain it. So first you have to give it stars. It's like 5 marks. You have to give marks out of 5. If you really like the product, then you can give it full stars. If not, then you can give it 1, 4, or whatever you feel about that product. Once you have done it, you just have to write about the product, like if you really liked it or not. Or if you want to like hide your product, if you want to make your product private from the public, you can do it. Only the shop owners will be able to see it. And if you have any pictures of that food that you want to chat, you can do that. It's optional, but you can also skip that. And also, if you want to add anything, like you want to type anything, you can do that. You have to write at least 25 letters. Your description should be long enough that it should be understandable by the others. So once you are done typing your description, you can just simply click on submit, and your submission will be there. And after that, you will also get to know by this popping thing which says that your review has been sent, and the owner of the shop will be able to see it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can give a review on DoorDash app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.